apa sih? Hai guys, Bransis, Kumadama, apa kabar kalian semuanya? Aku doain kalian semuanya baik-baik aja. Ketemu lagi dengan Kak Rahayu. Hari ini kita mau pergi dengan Ehi, dengan Sarah dan bapak mertua dengan suamiku. Jadi kita mau pergi. Ini di hari kedua di kampung halaman suami. Sebenarnya dari kemarin tuh sampai malam banget kita tuh ke keluarganya gitu, mapa ya, pasti mapa itu dari satu ke satu. Tapi HP aku keburu tetot, harus charger, dan ini baru bisa ngevideoin lagi kegiatan kita di pagi hari ini. Padahal kalau misalnya aku bawa video kamera, aku lupa ngebawa. Seru banget kegiatan malam di rumah. So, jangan lupa subscribe, like, share, komen. Cantik. Bye bye. Apa ya? Hai guys, hari ini aku mau nunjukin rumah-rumah jalanan yang ada di perkampungan ini. Aku mau ngajak kalian jalan-jalan, so kalian nikmatin saja ya teman-teman. Mungkin aku sambil menikmati jalanan ini, aku mau cerita dengan kalian. Ada beberapa pertanyaan dari kalian ya. Kemana Precious? Kemana Ekne? Precious itu masih sekolah guys, dan sekolahnya itu adalah sekolah pesantren atau boarding school. Jadi enggak selalu pulang ke rumah ya kayak di Indonesia pesantrenan. Dan kalau Ekme dia masuk kuliah lagi, jadi nggak bisa datang ke sini. Kebetulan 1 minggu ke depan Ruben itu kuliahnya masih libur, jadi kita nggak sendirian di rumah. So teman-teman ikutin terus kegiatan kita di perkampungan suami ini, di kampung suami teman-teman. Jangan lupa biar nggak ketinggalan kalian subscribe, like, share ke semua media sosial kalian, terus kalian komen cantik. Tonton sampai beak, sampai habis teman-teman. Teman-teman coba deh lihat, ini ada bundaran, ini tuh untuk penyimpanan air. Ada kucing, ternyata anjing itu sama kambing. Oh ya, mau jelasin juga di perkampungan ini kebanyakan rumah-rumahnya itu hanya 1 lantai. Tetapi yang membedakan mereka mempunyai halaman yang besar-besar teman-teman. Jadi anak cucu bisa bermain di halaman tersebut. Masya Allah sekali ya. Seneng banget tuh di sini karena banyak banget pohon-pohon yang bisa aku jadiin lalap. Banyak banget pohon pepaya. Kalau misalnya udah di rumahku udah habis tuh pepayanya lah, itu daunnya lah, sampai bunga-bunganya udah bisa dimakan ya. Terus kalau misalnya kalian lihat, kebanyakan di sini cat rumah tersebut berwarna coklat atau krim gelap gitu. Karena di sini tanahnya itu tanah merah, jadi disamaratakan. Enggak sama rata. Jadi biar menyamarkan kebul gitu, debu yang dihasilkan dari tanah merah tersebut. Terus kalau kalian lihat jalanan sini masih belum ada aspal. Tapi enggak semuanya teman-teman ya, masih juga ada yang aspal. Kebetulan di sini kita melewati jalanan yang belum teraspal teman-teman. Terus aku juga mau kasih info listrik yang ada di desa sama kayak zaman dulu waktu kita ke tempat mertua. Jadi nggak 24 jam. Jarang banget ada listrik di sini 24 jam. Palingan ada start listrik itu malam hari ketika kita akan istirahat teman-teman. Seperti itu. Kalaupun ada untuk siang hari mungkin hanya 30 menit sampai 1 jam. Itu pun kalau kita beruntung. Tapi kalau misalnya malam itu insya Allah ada. Cuman ya kadang-kadang malam juga. Jadi mau nggak mau di rumah di Nigeria ini, di perkampungan suami, pasti semua rumah mempunyai generator, mau nggak mau, biar ada listrik gitu. Karena malam itu pasti panas, dan untuk menyalakan kipas angin diperlukan listrik itu, aliran listrik begitu teman-teman. Nih, bagi teman-teman follower sama subscriber yang mempunyai pacar orang Nigeria, apakah kalian siap ketika kalian nikah terus kalian tinggal di Nigeria ini, kalian bisa nggak? Aku masih inget banget pertama kali aku datang ke Nigeria ini, 1 minggu aku bener-bener nggak bisa tidur teman-teman, karena di Indonesia untuk kayak gini nih, di Nigeria ini banyak banget burung-burung yang terbang bebas, nggak seperti di Indonesia kebanyakan ya. Jadi kayak bumbung sirih cincuing yang bunyinya gini yang bunyi kayak gitu teman-teman, di sini tuh udah biasa. Sedangkan karena di Indonesia itu katanya horor, jadi 1 mingguan itu aku nggak bisa tidur untuk dengerin itu. Bayangin dengan keadaan listrik mati dengerin itu di rumah. Tapi karena sudah terbiasa, sekarang udah biasa aja sih. What's that?
Daddy, that's chicken.
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 Kita lagi nungguin. Boleh ini antenya begini banget. Walnut, babe. That one is mango, right? This one mango. Okay, this one orange. Okay, tangerine.
This one. This is the walnut.
Really? I thought the walnut will be inside the
Come and look at
ground.
it. It's not deal. It's the rope.
I thought inside.
Okay. It's just rope like
Okay.
funky leaf rope.
Let me show you for that side. See, I'm look at the rope.
Okay, it's true. Okay, this one, babe.
That is. It's not a tree like this. It's this one.
Okay.
Climb.
Okay. I thought it's inside like nut, granite.
No. I would have shown you one. I caught that one yesterday. I planted it. The only one I found up yesterday.
Okay,
No.
So everything is here.
transplant
No.
with this one, it can survive.
I even wanted it to grow so that it can hold this thing.
Okay.
I don't see the ball. I will have given you.
Maybe it's not set.
That it was the last one. It was the
The
last
last
one.
one, yes.
You're like this.
You will cut it, remove
The seed inside.
The seed inside, yes. I come back here. Babe, how to come back? Okay, here.
What's that?
Oh, you say punky leaf. Where punky leaf? This? Okay. This one is... See na? See? Plenty oh. See? You see? If big land that one in CMB, babe, you can like this. Sour.
Yeah, sour.
Have in Indonesia too. Yeah, sirsak. We calling sirsak in my country.
Call it
Sirsak.
Sisa.
Yeah, in my country too.
Yeah.
Ada sirsa.
You know the other one up here.
Okay, avocado.
Avocado.
Yeah, avocado.
What's the other one?
This one is tangerine.
Coconut uncle.
Okay, yes, coconut.
I don't know.
Yes, that. It's can, oh, babe. It's can. It's big already. It's big enough. No, this one is different for the sour. This one is green. Okay, it's real. See coconut. Daddy, be careful. Be careful your heart. Ah! I say I want coconut, right? Sarah, open the. Your car outside, right? That one. Yeah. It's plenty already. See coconut. Two. It's enough already. Wow. Okay, this one is mango. It's not mango. This one mango. This one mango. This one is avocado. Ini apukat, buah, sirsak, jeruk. Enak banget. Thank you so much, sir.
This is cashew.
Cashew? Yes, jambu. I say it's like guava. Guava in the back. This cashew, jambu my country to have now. So in our area, plenty cashews, huh? In our area, in Lagos, plenty cashew. See guava. If I know, I put this one, babe.
Hello?
Daddy, how about the small one, that one? Which tree is that? Three in the back.
That one is some sort of mango, but I've cut it.
No mango in the tree. It's not tree. Okay, yum.
Okay.
This one yum. Yum, just like this.
Okay. Tomorrow we will go to farm tomatoes.
Yes. After.
Opposite us. They'll be meal. Okay, but there's jam in your place.
Yeah. Happy, but not in my area. In the my country is island. So it's far. Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Yes, not Daddy. Thank
Let me
you.
drink some more too. Drink. Yeah, drink.
The time we were small,
They don't allow us to drink this thing. They said
Why?
if you are drinking the water, you won't know book. But old people
Oh, that's life.
no, they were using
very
it
good.
they were using to trick us now. They using it just to trick us.
It's very nice.
A woman.
Very nice.
That one too.
Ah, be careful, sir. Ah, baby, his hand, babe. His hand. Ah, be careful, sir. Your hand.
You want to eat?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, you want to eat? Sarah, you want? Kali Sarah for Sarah. Gitu. Thank you. I give Sarah.
Dad is eating. Oh, yeah, eat.
Take.
For you, for you.
You eat them. Hey, you see?
I'm eating too.
Baby, up
Very
now.
sweet.
Good banget.
You like it? You like it?
Now you taste it, you like it.
Because I eat it.
Okay, because Sarah. Yeah.
They take like 4-5 years.
You know, most of the no very good. Enjoy it.
See, see, I hear. Well,
They have put it on.
Hello?